Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Power Saver is a system feature that conserves battery on laptops and phones. It reduces screen brightness by 20% and adjusts backlight behavior to save power. It limits background app activity and reduces sync frequency to roughly 30-minute intervals. It can also cap CPU performance at 50% under heavy load to extend runtime. Notifications are bundled and less frequent when enabled to avoid wake events. You will notice smoother battery drain predictions in the status area when Power Saver is active. To enable Power Saver, open settings and navigate to battery or power. You can turn it on manually or set automatic activation at a chosen threshold like 20%. Use the customization menu to whitelist important apps so they can still run in background. Adjust screen timeout and dimming behavior to match your preference and save additional juice. Choose lower refresh rates or reduced animations for extra savings. Confirm changes by checking the battery icon and estimated remaining time in the status bar. Power Saver helps battery life, but introduces trade-offs you should know about. Expect slower app responsiveness and reduced multitasking when the CPU is capped for energy savings. Use dark mode and lower the display refresh rate to maximize additional battery benefits. Reduce widget sizes and remove live backgrounds to decrease constant redraws and conserve energy. Turn Power Saver off when you need full performance for gaming or video editing. Monitor battery temperature and usage patterns to fine-tune your Power Saver settings over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.